Okay. Now we will discuss about string functions. Okay. So these are the string functions available in MySQL. So first one is concat. So concat means it will concat two or more strings and converts into a single string. Okay. So select concat of series. If you want to give the space, then you can give also. Okay. So this is concatenation. So you can write more than two statements also. Okay. Next one is instr in string, and that means it will return the position of the first occurrence of the substring in a string. That means select in string in str asset telematics. Okay. So in this, so how many E's are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 members. Okay. So execute this. So it will return first occurrence of the given string. Okay. So E exists in fourth place. So that fourth number it will return. Okay. So it returns the position of the first occurrence of a substring. This is the substring in a main string. Next one is length. So how do you know the length of the string? It is 15 characters. Okay. Next, left. Left means it will get a specified number of leftmost characters from a string. Suppose I want these asset. I want this word from a given string. How many characters exist in a word? How many characters exist in a word means?
5.
5. Okay. So select left of 5. So you will get. Okay. And the quite opposite, right of 5. That means rightmost character it will return. How many characters means? This is the given length. Series ATICS. Okay. So this is left and right. Next, lower upper, lower case. It will convert given string into the lower case, and upper converts given string into the uppercase. So it is completely converted by lower case, completely converted into uppercase. Okay. Next, L trim. So L-trim means it remove unwanted spaces from left side. Right, R-trim means it will remove unwanted spaces from right side. L-trim, and here I am giving single space in left side, and R-trim set. So there is a space in right hand side. See this. So you can copy and paste it, and you can observe. See this, there is no space in left hand side. Okay, and similarly this one also you can copy. See this, there is no space in right hand side. Okay, and put it. This trim means it will remove unwanted spaces from left hand side, unwanted spaces from right hand side. Both it will do. Okay, that is L trim, R trim, trim. Next, replace. Select replace of I want replace S with 1. See this. Wherever S exists, then that is replaced with 1. So replace means it will search and replace a substring in a string. Next, substring. So substring means it will extract substring starting from a position with a specified length. So substring so from 5 to 8 I want to extract. See this T. So in fifth position T is there, and T 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here to not here, no, from here to here, from small t to small t, it will extract. Okay, so this is 5 is the starting position number, and from this starting position number, how many characters you want to extract? That is the given length 8. Okay, so this is substring. Substring index. Substring underscore index. So listen carefully. Yeah, instead of taking E, yes, it is better to take E, then you can easily understand. Because yes exists in starting position and ending position. E exists in this position, this position, this position. So it is better. Okay. See, substring underscore index means it will return a substring from a string before a specified number of occurrences of a delimiter. Okay, so before this E, so it will extract whatever the characters exist before this E. Okay, so that means there are two cases in this substring underscore index, positive case and negative case. Okay, we will see with example. If you take positive number as a third argument, then this will return every character from the left side of the string up to n number of occurrences of the delimiter. Okay. If you take negative number, then it will return every character from right side to the number of occurrences of the delimiter. Okay. So one is positive, another one is negative. See this. Here 1, I have given 1. That means, so what will be the position number of E? First occurrence position number of E? 4. Okay. So before that, whatever the characters are there, it will return. That is ASS. Okay. And here -1 you have given. So here -1 means it will search from right hand to left hand side. Okay. So before the first occurrence of E, whatever the characters are there, it will return that. Okay. And again, you take 2. Then see this. Positive means left, from left hand side. From left hand side, whatever the characters are there before the second occurrence of E. This is the first occurrence of E. What is the second occurrence of E? This one. So A asset capital T. After that, second occurrence of E is there, so that it will not display that E. Before that E, it will display. See this. So this one is the first occurrence of E from right to left. This one is the second occurrence of E. So that from LE matrix, okay, it will display. Did you understand this? Substring underscore index. Two cases, positive and negative.
Yes, sir.
So positive means left to right. Negative means right to left. Next, find in set. Select find in set. So see this. Find inset means it will find a string within a comma separated list of strings. That means here this is the comma separated list. In this list, if you whatever the word substring exists in a, as a first argument, okay. So what is that position number in this second argument? That position number it will display. Okay, here find in set, it will accept two arguments. One is the first argument is the input argument. Second argument is the comma separated string. Okay, comma separated list of strings. Okay, so based on the first argument, it will return the position of the argument. Okay, so that is the find in set. If you put C, then it will return 3. Okay, next, format. Format means format See this. So it will round it to the number of decimals. Okay. So you can give any number, it will return decimals like 2345.432. So after 0, after point, if you take 0 0, what will happen? So if it doesn't take 0 0, what will happen? Just observe this. See this. So if you take second argument as a 0, then it will return only integer part. If you take 2 as a second argument, then what will happen? It will take up to 2 digits only after point. It will ignore this. Then what will happen? 2345.00. Okay. So if you take some fractional part except 0 0, then if you take 0 as a second argument, then you will get integer part. If you take 2 as a second argument, then so up to 2 digits only you will get 43. Okay, so that is format. So these are the string functions. Next one, math functions. So first one is absolute. So absolute means with example you can easily able to understand. See this, I am going to take minus 20. Okay, see what happened, it will return 20. That means even though you are taking negative number, it will convert into positive number. That is absolute. And seal, it will return the smallest integer value greater than or equal to the input number. So for example, seal of 3.34, seal of 3.69. See this, it will return 4. Why means seal returns the smallest integer value that should be greater than or equal to the input number. So what will be the nearest integer value? Integer means this one. So after 3.34, what will be the nearest integer value?
4.
4. Okay, that's why it is returning 4. Floor means quite opposite. I'm taking same values. 3. Okay, so largest integer value that should not be greater than the argument. That means nearest integer value that should be the integer. So what will be the nearest integer value to this number? That should not be greater than this input value. Okay. Next, mod. Mod of 15, 3. mod of 16 comma 3.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Bro, message hai, bro.
హలో
హలో
సార్ మోడ్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ వాయిస్ మీదకి కట్ అయిపోయింది
so module means it will return the remainder value. Hello,
యా సార్
Yes, sir.
okay,
ఓకే సార్
okay. Then next one is round. Select round of 23 4 round of 25 6. See this. Round means it will return a number to a specified number of decimal places. So here 20.34. Okay. So here 3 is less than 5. That's why it will return 20. Okay. In fractional part, first number is greater than or equal to 5. It will return next integer value. Okay. That's why this function returns 21. Okay, in fractional part, first number it is greater than 5, then greater than or equal to 5, then it will return next integer value. If it is less than 5, like 0.3, then it will return actual integer value. Okay, 20 21. Okay, next truncate. Truncate means it truncates a number to a specified number of decimal places. 10.456 comma 2 truncate 12, yeah, 10.456 comma wait a minute, somebody is knocking the door. Yeah, sorry. 10 truncates 10.456 789. Okay, we'll see. It is better to take 5. Okay, see this. So truncate means truncates a number to a specified number of decimal places. So here you have given 2. That means after in this fractional part, it will consider only 2 numbers. Okay, if you give 3, see what will happen. 548. Okay, so that is truncate. So this is about math functions.